Using Ynab as a couple is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, open the website ynab.com on your computer. The homepage of the website will be opened. It will show you how to manage your money as a couple. Here is telling that life rewards a saver and punishes a spender. It has all the instructions written, such as learning goals together and becoming a team when it comes to finance. It also helps you to know how you can handle money together without losing it. The secret of it is employing a budget. On the table of content, there are a lot of options like why do we fight about money. A budget gives you a common language and your priorities, my priorities, and our priorities. It also helps us by telling us how to start, the power of budget, date night, and how to budget with a reluctant partner. It also informs you about the nuts and bolts of your budget structure. By taking help with these options, you can easily use the Ynab as a couple.